Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set notifications in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it opens up in the explore page where we have some suggestions for rooms and houses. From here we have to tap on profile. And then in profile, we find the notifications on the settings section. We tap on this, and then here we have an offers and updates section and an account section. Here we have all kinds of notifications, for example, travel tips and offers. And here we can just tap on one and select what kind of notification we want to receive from the said content. Same thing with the account. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.